All right, I'm going to walk you through a method that I call the Widman Word Pyramid. And basically, what it is it is a process of writing that helps business owners or business representatives understand their business. This might sound silly. It's like, oh, a business owner, of course, understands their business. Oftentimes, they don't really. They don't understand how to make money, they understand how to manage a team, but they might not understand their overall messaging, or maybe when they're explaining their business to someone, they're way too lengthy in their descriptions. So what the idea is to reduce this down to something so simple that eventually we're going to describe your business in one word, but we're going to first start with 233 words, or about 233 words. um, so what I recommend here is like be as lengthy as you want. Just write about your business as much as you possibly can, and then do it again and make it about 144 words, and then do it again, make it about 89 words, then 55, 34. This is usually what you see business descriptions. This is usually the length, 34 to 55 words. And this is good. This is fine. This is usually what you see like a mission statement is. It's usually around this length. But eventually, what we want to do is get this down. This hypothetical company, Reliable Roofers, is getting their description down to where eventually it is one word, reliable. And as you can see, it's a word pyramid. So the idea is now, why is this important? You need to be able to say to someone, like, if they're like, hey, what separates you from your competition? We're reliable. And this is that answer right here. And when you're talking to your team and you're explaining the values of your business, you can say, hey, we need everything we do, we need to make sure it is reliable. We are reliable. So this is something that's very important for your internal use for vision casting, but it's also very important for your messaging or your branding, or on your website, anything marketing related. It's communicating. You have to reduce it down to one word, and then you test everything against that one word. So when an employee brings you an idea, hey, I want to do this thing. Well, does that make us more reliable? Or hey, we're going to send an invoice for this thing. Well, does that prove that we were reliable? Everything you do, whether it's your invoicing or managing your team or communicating to your client, the question is it reliable? Now, in this case, this business very cleverly is named Reliable Roofers, and they worked that into their messaging. That's nice too. I like that. If you don't have that, that's fine. But just try to work it to where you eventually get down to one word. Now, this method is not incredibly, or methods like this aren't incredibly unique in that there's a lot of methods for branding and messaging that kind of help you get down to a simplified version of your messaging. What makes this unique is that I bring it down to the Widman Word Pyramid. What makes it unique is that we're bringing it down to one word so that you can throw everything against this one word. The other thing that makes it unique is that the number sequence here is the Fibonacci number sequence, which is a very great and powerful number sequence for many reasons. And so those are two things that make it unique. And overall, I think this is a very simple process. Again, start with the rant. Start with it being muddled, be lengthy, don't worry about it, and then just slowly but surely make it simpler and simpler until you get it down to one word. That's it. That's the Widman Word Pyramid. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please share it with others. Please like and also subscribe.